Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off story notifications on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then tap at your profile picture, then hit at three lines icon and select settings. On settings, tap at notifications, and right here you can easily find posts, stories and comments. Just tap on that. Then just scroll down to the very bottom where you can find first posts and stories. Now, in order to turn off story notifications on Instagram, you have to select off. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.